Welcome to Homes on Wheels 360 virtual tour. This is our first virtual video, so bear with us. We are going to tour the Abigail today at Clayton Homes in Anniston, Alabama. And you may have already seen this video on our channel before, but we are going to do something new today, and it is a 360 tour. So if you're on your smartphone or your computer, you're going to be able to go along with us. And if we missed a spot, you can pan around and take a look for yourself. We're going to come through the front door here and walk inside. So, and again, if you're on your smartphone, all you got to do is start turning and you can see exactly what you want to look at. And if you're on your computer, you can use your mouse, or if you've got VR goggles, well, those work too. You can just turn your head. And so we're going to walk in. We're here in the living room area. As you can see, if you pan up, you can see that the heating and air returns are in the ceiling. And you're met by this beautiful fireplace right here. We're going to walk towards the kitchen. And as we walk, you'll notice all these beautiful windows that you got. Let in plenty of natural light, and that's probably one of my favorite features. As we come in, you'll see the vaulted ceiling, or trade ceiling there with the beams. And you've got this nice hood over your range. Plenty of storage down in the cabinets. And more storage again there at the island. On this side of the island. You've got your side-by-side Frigidaire. And then we've got the beautiful bay window here. Or would that be a picture window? You guys always get me on that, so let me know down in the comments. You've got your sink here. The industrial style pull down faucet. And you've got the reset area there where you can put your stools under the island. You've got your Frigidaire dishwasher there. Frigidaire microwave. And more storage. We're going to go back around to the right, and you'll notice all these beautiful windows surrounding this table that I really love what they've done here. I like that table. And then we're going to walk on into the washroom area where you would put your washer and dryer. And it does have this slatted door. I like that. So you can't see right in. Because if you're like me, you tend to let the laundry stack up for a day or two before you get to it. But you've got plenty of space right there for it, for your washer and your dryer. And we're going to pan back around. There is your heating and air right here. And if you'll notice back to the left, you'll see an inset area. You could put a chest freezer. Now, it wouldn't be a longer chest. It would be one of the deeper ones. But you could also put a second refrigerator there, should you choose. And I like what they're doing here with this door, so you can come right in and use this as a mudroom type area as well. And we're going to go back out. Then we're going to go down to check out the two guest bedrooms. This is a 3-bedroom home. This home has over 1,700 square feet in it. And 2 bathrooms. So we're going to walk on down. And again, you guys can just continue to pan around. If there's anything I missed, like this beautiful fireplace, if I didn't mention it, you can see that right now. And you'll notice the Ecobee heating and air control right there. And that is a smart control. For you guys that have watched the channel, you've seen it many times on here. You can control that with your iPhone or your Android. And we're going to walk in, say hello to everybody in the mirror here. And we're going to come into the bathroom area. And as you can see, there is can lighting. And then down here in the tub area, there is that bigger tub. It's not your standard bath shower combo that you normally see. Now, it's not as big as some garden tubs. However, it is fairly good size. It's bigger than what you would normally see. So we're going to come back around, and again, you got your vanity here and your standard sink. We're going to come back down, and we're going to turn back to the left here. We're going to go into the first guest room here. It does have the drywall throughout this house. Beautiful windows. We're going to take a look inside here at the closet. Now this one closet has the wire in it, but you can upgrade that should you choose. We're going over to the second guest room. And we're going to walk in here. And as you see, the heating and air is in the ceiling, as it is with the others. You've got the one window here. And we're going to walk on to the closet area. And this closet is a little bit bigger. Now, I think the room is just a little smaller than the other guest room, but you do have this walk-in closet. Again, it's got the wire shelving, totally upgradable. You can do that yourself, or you might can talk to them and see if they can do it. You do have canned lighting in the ceiling here. So let's go back and see the master bedroom and the master bath. I know that's what you guys all love to see, and I do too. That's my favorite. And we're going to walk back through here again. You can continue to pan and look at other things that maybe I missed that you want to see. And if you see something that I missed, drop a comment and let us know. Or something you'd like to see us do in the future. And we'll have the price and everything. I know everybody's going to ask about that. We're going to have the price and everything here in just a bit. Now, it's a little darker in here, and with the 360 camera, it's maybe a little bit harder to see, but in the restroom and the closets and everything, there's going to be light, so you'll be able to see just fine. All right, so you do have right here the walk-in closet, and we're going to walk into there real quick. And in the master closet, the walk-in closet, you will see you don't have those shelves with the wire. It is the upgraded shelving, and I really like that. And I know you guys do too. You tell us in the comments all the time. Also, you have the natural window there to let natural light, I should say, in. And you do have two canned lights overhead right there. And again, they are still setting this up. So you've got two heating and air returns right here, left and right of the fan. And you have two windows to let natural light in here. Now we're going to go in and let you guys take a look at the master bath. And we're just going to stick the camera in there and let you guys pan around a little bit. And again, just click if you're on your computer and pan left and right, up and down. And you can take a look at things. Or if you're on your phone, just move your phone around. And if you're on the VR headset, you can do it that way. If you've noticed, you've got two sinks in here. You've got, again, a lot of storage in this bathroom. And we're going to come around and we're going to pan back and look at the shower here. And they are missing the glass here. Again, they are still setting up. But if you notice, they also have the bench seat here in the shower. And they have two shower heads, one that you can pull off the wall there and use, and then one directly overhead. And your toilet area is here by the shower, and it's got the window, and you've got the barn door here covering another area. What could be in this area? I tell you, you ladies are gonna love it. I think you've got a powder room and a garden tub. A little area you can get ready or relax in this massive garden tub. And you have this long window directly overhead. It's narrow, it's up high, so you don't have to worry about somebody peering in. but you get the natural light. So you get the best of both worlds there, and that massive massive tub there. So we're going to go back out and take a look at the price and let you guys take another look around. One thing that I forgot to mention in here is the lighting and the light switches. I'm going to let you guys pan down. I really like, I'm not going to turn the light out, but they're the rocker style switches there. I really like that. That's something they did throughout. That's something I didn't mention in our regular video. So sometimes when you guys watch our VR tours, you're going to get a little bit more of that stuff that we missed, if you will. So let's take a look and see. And this house, as it's priced today, is $193,500. And again, this is at the time of filming. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,740 square feet. And here are some of the amenities. Again, you can call the good people here at Clayton Homes in Anniston, Alabama, and we'll put all the information in the description box below so that you can reach out to them and find out more about pricing, customization, and all of that. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour, and we will be back on the next time.